Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Pisces for the month of October. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of October, so let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Pisces, this is your energy this week, that is the Magician reversed. I believe that you are not putting in that much effort which is required in one particular thing. You need to have proper skills for moving ahead. Emotionally you might be feeling little drained out, or maybe you are more into your imagination than being on ground. So you need to be careful with this energy this month. You need to focus on the ground energies. You need to be more realistic than in imagination. Moving towards the first week, it is the 4 of Cups, the 7 of Cups reversed, and the 3 of Wands reversed. So yeah, this is showing me the similar thing that you are just in your thoughts. You are thinking about either your past or your future, but you're not in your present. You want something to happen, and that might even happen. That might even, that little bit ray of hope will be there, but you will just, you might just ignore it. You might not actually go and grab the opportunity. So you need to keep your eyes and ears open. Don't plan for some short term goals. Don't plan for something which is unreal. You need to open your eyes, you need to open your ears, and you need to see stuff. Don't think from your heart, start thinking from your head. Come back to reality, come back to present, evaluate things, and then decide what you want to do. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. And the second week of October says 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, and 7 of Swords. So I don't know this energy. I think someone has backstabbed you in past. Someone has not done good to you, and you are just feeling very sad about it. You are not able to concentrate on your work. It has maybe even affected your health. Though people who love you, your family, your soulmate, your lover, whosoever, they love you, they are with you, they are standing with you very strongly during this bad time also. But you are somehow not able to forget what has happened in past, and you are not able to overcome with that energy. You are even when you're thinking about your future, you are just thinking about the bad stuff. You are just thinking that I hope the same thing doesn't happen again. So that is getting little difficult to manage. The third week has the Tower, 5 of Swords, and Queen of Swords. So there is a transition taking place. You are unfortunately going through a difficult time of your life, and this is happening because something new has to start. So this time is, trust me, is going to end pretty soon. With this Tower card here, it is going to end pretty soon. You are already at the the most difficult part of this thing, and you just need to stay on. Don't lose hope. Hold on to this thing, and you will, whosoever has been on the other side, that person that has cheated you, trust me, they have not gained anything from that. They have not gained anything from that. You are just feeling sad because that person did that, and you by the end of this week, that's the third week, you might feel little clear about certain things. You might feel that you have the hold of lot of things in your life, and you might be very honest and blunt to people because of the previous experiences you had. But still you will be quite determined to do certain things in your life. So you will start working towards your goal. Fourth week shows me 5 of Wands, the Star card, and the Empress reversed. So this card is showing me that things have been difficult. when you start planning certain things, things will not happen immediately. And the magician is also in reversed here, so you will require a lot of skills, you will require a lot of patience. Some things which were hidden, some things which were secret is going to get revealed, so that might lead to some kind of a conflict. It could be with the people who are close to you, people whom you know, or it could be some kind of an inner conflict as well. And you would really wish for something good to happen. Try to wish for something good only, because you're manifesting, your energy is of a manifesting card. So if you will think negative, if you will manifest negative things, you will attract negative things. So don't do that. Universe is listening to you. Wish for something good to happen, wish for something positive to happen, and trust me, with in the months to come, things will start changing. It will start changing and start happening in your favor. Yeah, still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Who you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the personalized and the daily readings. So good luck, Pisces.